The DV-2026 Electronic Diversity Visa Program, your gateway to the American dream. Have you ever dreamed of living in the United States? The DV-2026 Electronic Diversity Visa Program, also known as the Green Card Lottery, offers you a chance to make that dream a reality. Designed to promote global diversity, this program selects applicants from underrepresented countries. Join thousands on an exciting journey toward U.S. permanent residency. This could be your opportunity to live, work, and thrive in one of the most dynamic countries in the world. The process is straightforward and free to enter. Are you ready to grab your chance? The Diversity Visa Program is a U.S. government initiative aimed at creating opportunities for people from countries with historically low migration to the United States. Each year, 55,000 visas are granted through a lottery system, ensuring a fair and balanced selection process. Winners of the Green Card Lottery gain permanent residency status, unlocking career, education, and personal growth opportunities. Moreover, their immediate family members, spouse, and children under 21 also benefit from this life-changing initiative. To participate in the DV-2026 program, you must meet specific eligibility criteria. First, your country of birth should be on the eligible list. Unfortunately, nationals from countries like Brazil, Canada, and India are ineligible this year due to higher immigration rates. Additionally, applicants must have at least a high school diploma or 2 years of work experience in a qualifying field. These steps ensure participants have foundational skills to thrive in the U.S. society and job market. Applying for the DV-2026 program is straightforward. Applications are submitted exclusively through the official U.S. government DV lottery website during the registration period. Watch out for fraud. The program is entirely free, so never pay for submission. To apply, complete an online form with your personal details, upload a compliant photo, and wait for the official confirmation number. Remember, accuracy matters. Any errors could disqualify your application. The selection process is a transparent lottery drawing conducted by the U.S. Department of State. Once your application is reviewed, a computer randomly selects winners, giving everyone an equal chance. Winners are notified through the official DV program platform. It's important to stay vigilant for scams claiming to guarantee outcomes. Only trust communications from the official government website. If you're selected, your journey toward a green card truly begins. Winning is just the start. Selected participants will need to complete further steps to secure their green card. This includes submitting additional documents to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services and undergoing an interview at a U.S. embassy or consulate. If successful, you and your family can embark on a new adventure in the United States. Dream of starting a business? Planning to raise your family in a safe and prosperous environment? The green card will make these possibilities a reality. The United States is a land of opportunities, offering world-class education, cutting-edge healthcare, and a vibrant, diverse culture. By obtaining a green card, you gain the freedom to live and work anywhere in the U.S. Imagine settling in a city like New York or the sunny coasts of California. You'll also have the chance to apply for U.S. citizenship after 5 years of residency. This program opens doors not just for individuals, but for entire families to build a better future. Not sure where to start? Specialized services are available to guide you through the DV-2026 process. Experts can help review your application, ensure your photos meet strict guidelines, and guide you through the interview process if you win. These services provide you with peace of mind, ensuring your application stands out and complies with all requirements. Act now to increase your chances of success. Don't let this unique chance slip away. Apply to the DV-2026 Electronic Diversity Visa Program and open the door to incredible opportunities in the United States. Your American dream could be just a few clicks away. Visit the official website and start your journey today.